In this video, Dan Wilson is going to do a deep dive on the classic Pat Metheny tune, James. It's one of our favorite tunes, a lot of guitarists' favorite tunes. And he's going to show you some really advanced level stuff on James, some turnarounds and chord progressions you can use that will really take your playing on James to the next level. If you guys want to check out more classes from Dan Wilson and our other faculty, use the link in the description below, and you get access to a whole bunch of master classes inside Chase's Guitar Academy.
I don't know if you heard the live recordings of James. There's one, he borrows from the parallel minor. So after the bridge, and then he gets a little softer. Just for a second. Blah blah blah. So I was asking when we played Pat's NEA Jazz Master ceremony during the rehearsal. I was like, "You guys want to do the minor thing at the end?" He's like, "Man, how did you know that?" I was like, "Man, I've listened to all 70,000 versions of James." And McBride and Antonio Sanchez were saying that Pat just sprung that on him one night. Like didn't give him a warning or anything like that. Just sprung it on him until they got it. So there's so they brought it from the parallel minor. So they go D minor, G minor, C7 to F major, B flat major 7, A9 sus, and then we're back in D major. And this is the coda. Sorry. The 3 3 6 2 5 to G. And I love extending that section because you can get all your double time things over that. That's when the bebop comes into play because you've got there's endless possibilities with this tune, and I think the guitarist Camila Mesa, and she arranged the like the medley we did for Pat, and I remember in rehearsal we were kind of messing around with that tune, and I was comping for her, and at that end we kind of we extended the ending, and because it's so like ripe for possibilities, just the so here I'm doing G major, D over F. So once again, our target is B minor. So I'm doing sort of a melodic minor walk up. So E over G sharp, F sharp over A sharp. Right. So. Here's another. So we're approaching the B minor from just a traditional 2/5. Here's another one. Going up a minor third from G to diminished chord to B flat diminished. Sorry. So right here, we have E7 to C sharp minor 9 to C major 7 or major 9. We'll play that again. E7. Well, I wouldn't go dominant there. Because you got that B natural in the melody. So right here we go G major, D over F sharp, E flat minor 7, B dominant 7. So right, so that little walk down. So we're approaching. We're still trying to get to B minor. So we're borrowing from B major. So like a chromatic walk down. So E flat minor 7, D7, C sharp half diminished with the 11th, C major, right? So lots of
Got a little masterclass in substitution right there.
Oh man, but I mean that's the thing. Like with these tunes, this well constructed. I mean, like, the possibilities is endless. You basically just have to just sing the melody to yourself and see what sticks.
If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see the rest of the masterclass as well as all of the other content we have from Dan Wilson and other Chase Guitar Academy faculty, use the link in the description below and sign up for a 7-day free trial. We have a lot more masterclasses on the schedule for you to check out and a bunch in the library that you can check out once you sign up. So just click the link, sign up. What are you doing? Sign up. Sign up. It's right there. It's right there, guys.